Here we go. Let's discuss here the definition of like terms. What are like terms? Well, like terms are terms with the same variable. For example, here we're going to write a chart. On the left, we're going to write a term, and then on the right, we're going to write a term that is similar, or also known as a like term here. So let's go ahead. Let's start off with 2x. Let's evaluate this term. We have one variable here, and it's x. So if we was to make it up, we can write a like term of 4x. So we can say that 2x and 4x are like terms because they consist of x, 1x at the 1x each, and they're both powered to the first power. All right. Let's take in another example where we're going to change the coefficient. Negative 10x to the second power, and let's go ahead and put 2x to the second power, right? Are these like terms? Yes, they are like terms, right? Because we have x as a base and its power to the second, and both terms have x to the second power. So these two are considered like terms. How about 3a and 3a? Are these like terms? Yes, they are. They're like terms. They both have one coefficient. They both have the same coefficient, but that's not exactly what classifies them as a like term. It's the simple a that makes them a like term. So, like terms. Let's give you another example. How about 10 and 5? Right. So, are 10 and 5 like terms? Yes, they are. 10 and 5 are like terms. They're known as constant terms. Okay. They're different coefficients, but they're like terms. How about 150xy and 150yx? Well, remember the rules of addition and multiplication, regardless of their order. They're still going to produce the same result. Well, 150xy and 150yx are like terms. Same variables and same powers, right? So I'm going to give you one more example here. 100x to the 12th power and 5x to the 12th power. You see these 12 here and you see the x here? These two specific numerics and variables are going to make the whole term a like term. Now let's give you an unlike term here. Negative 5x to the third. Okay. And let's compare it to negative 5x to the second. All right. Are these two terms like? No, they are not like, because they are powered differently. Okay. They have two different powers. Negative 5x cubed and negative 5x squared. All right. So negative 5x to the third power and negative 5x to the second power are unlike terms, and that's due to the powers.